Let's understand what exactly is Google Analytics. So, my dear friend, Google Analytics is a free website tracking tool and a platform that collects a lot of data of the users who interacts with your website. The data could be like how much time they are spending on your website, what all pages they are visiting on your website, from where did they come, like what was the source or medium they came to your website, like did they visited somebody's blog, did they visited a link on social media, did they click on some link given in a WhatsApp chat, or what exactly or where exactly are they coming from. Everything could be tracked. Also, if they're making any purchases, downloading any video, or taking any action on your website, everything could be tracked by one of the best tools available online, that is Google Analytics. Well, if you're talking about free or paid, let me just update you on that. It is a free tool, but it has a restriction up to 10 GB of data. And trust me, it never ends. It's like so big.